tonight. Happy full moon, y'all. It is just a good day to be alive. Also, for all you astronomy fans, big birthday in the world of astronomy. We want to wish a big happy birthday to Edmond Halley, born on this day, 1656. That's the world's first Astronomer Royal. Big Ed Halley was British, and he was the first person to accurately predict the coming of Halley's Comet. Of course, it wasn't called Halley's Comet at the time. It was just a comet. But he predicted it, and when it showed up, exactly when he said it would, we named it for him. Hat tip, Edmond Halley, happy birthday on this day, born 1656. Oh, also, so in addition to being a full moon tonight, which is awesome, it's also a full lunar eclipse. So it's a blood moon as well, which is, I think, very exciting. So I hope you can see it wherever you are in the world. Okay, who's ready to jump in and start doing some modeling? With happy birthdays out of the way and the what's up, it's full moon days out of the way, let's jump in. Okay, let's build out the eye. Let's come in here, face select, and inset. Bring this in. Inset again. Bring that in. Merge. Vertices. Merge. Inset. Okay, let's try. Make that as center as possible. So I'm gonna just build out your eye. Select the faces and move them along the y-axis. It's a wicked brow line. In object mode, let's add a UV sphere. Come up here and call this eyeball. And let's grab this. We'll put it centered about right there. And let's change it to bounding box center, and now when we scale in, just scale right to that eye. This from the side, we'll move this up. That should be out there. Okay. You can move the faces in. Build any highs. Okay, let's add one more loop cut. Right there. Grab the eye. We'll bring this out a little bit, grab on the Y. Let's add a mirror modifier. First, let's rotate these on the x-axis at 90. Okay, we can build out the eye later. This is kind of our natural geometry. Let's shade smooth. And now, let's change the origin to 3D cursor to get our mirror. You won't see the mirror until that happens, because previously, the origin was on this piece of geometry. We need to make the origin the world center, so now this is the axis around which our mirror pivots. Okay, then let's go over to output properties. Let's go to render and hit bloom. Okay, now if you come over here to the render viewport shader, you can see what this is going to look like. There you go. We've got some. We're glowing. Our eyes are glowing. If we say work, and then let's just see what we're doing with the nose here. Not bad, you guys. Okay. You did some modeling. We threw on some modifiers, some mirrors, some subdivision. We hit a bunch of hotkeys, and now let's texture paint. And let's add some color to our model. So everybody save your work, and we'll see you in the next one.